everyone. My name is Jennifer Overmoyer, and I'm the Nutrition Education Program Manager here at CAP of Lancaster County. The rest of our NEP and I are going green this month, and it is March, and we are focusing on green foods and the benefits that they have for our bodies.
Did you know that March is also National Nutrition Month? An entire month dedicated to awareness of healthy food choices and the great ways it can improve our lives. This year, the slogan is Personalize Your Plate,
which basically means that there is no universal approach to good health and nutrition, as we're all different and have different needs, bodies, goals, backgrounds, and even tastes. In the recipe that we're going to share with you today, there are actually many opportunities to tailor it to fit to your individual needs and tastes.
In the spirit of March and going green, we're going to be making a simple green smoothie. It's filled with great vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and it's a quick recipe. For those with kids, this is a great opportunity to get them involved in the kitchen. Help them add the ingredients to the blender or measure, and definitely have them taste it.
First, we need to add the liquid, and it can be any milk of your choice. It could be regular milk, it could be coconut milk, oatmeal milk, almond milk, whatever you normally have and would like to use. So we're going to put in a cup of milk. And then we are also adding spinach or kale. So one thing I like to point out, I like to take the extra little stems off, but when you make a cup, you want to really fill it up. You could probably put a little bit more in here. And then you want to add that to your mixer as well. The milk is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which work together to give us strong bones and teeth. And these greens are filled with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate. These are all linked to improved heart health and protection against disease. And now I'm going to pass the banana over to Miss Cassidy.
Thanks, Jen. After blending our milk and greens, you want to add 1 banana, medium size, and 1 cup of low-fat plain yogurt. Bananas are filled with potassium, which is important for heart health and the proper functioning of our muscles and nerves. Kyra's going in with the apple.
Thanks, Cassidy. Next, we're adding an apple, some flax seeds, and chia seeds. These seeds provide our bodies with omega-3s, fiber, and protein, among other nutrients that are linked to disease prevention and lowering blood pressure. They are optional for this recipe. Be sure to core, peel, and slice that apple before tossing it into your blender. And next, we're going to pass some pineapple, frozen pineapple, or frozen fruit of your choice over to Jen Evie.
Thank you, Kyra. And last but not least, we're adding frozen pineapple to our smoothies or whatever fruit you choose. Frozen fruit is very convenient because it can be kept for up to 6 months in your freezer. It's also loaded with vitamins and minerals just like fresh fruit. After we add our frozen pineapple, it's time to blend all the ingredients together and enjoy our simple green smoothie.
Okay, everybody, this is what our mixes look like when we're done. So now we're going to pour them. Thank you for watching our simple green smoothie recipe. We look forward to seeing everyone go green for the month of March.
Be sure to share your green creations with us at CAP. You can tag at @CAP_LANC on Instagram and at CAP Lancaster on Twitter.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy National Nutrition Month.
It is really good.
That's actually really good.